How to send a proposal with a price list. Imagine being able to introduce your clients not only to your services, but also to the exact costs right from the start. With TaxDome's proposal feature, you can create a clear and concise breakdown of your services, giving clients the full picture of what to expect. Whether you're welcoming new clients or tailoring special offers for existing ones, a well-crafted proposal sets the tone for a transparent and professional relationship. Let's say your firm is engaging with a new client, and they requested your tax return service. You can always write a proposal from scratch, but template serves as the foundation for all your proposals, making it easy to adapt and personalize as needed. From the Services and Invoices step, you'll have the option to add itemized services without creating an invoice. By including a detailed price list, you're not just outlining costs, you're helping clients make informed decisions about the services they need. You will be able to issue invoices at any point after the proposal is signed, so add your service as line items. You can add as many as you want. They can be charged by item or hour. Once your client receives the proposal, they can review the terms and prices and sign. Once the proposal is signed, you can immediately begin providing the agreed-upon services, confident that your client is fully aware of the costs involved. With TaxDome, sending a proposal with a price list is more than just a formality. It's a strategic move that enhances client relationships and sets the stage for success.